Listen, I know I have been gone for 6 months from YouTube, but actually, there's no excuses. This is all on me and I shouldn't have done it, but I'm coming back with a bang. It's your favorite video. It's a haul, but it's no other than a massive Louis Vuitton haul. I do plan on making my next video a Q&A where I can talk to you guys about what's been going on. You guys ask me questions and just kind of share a little bit of my life this past 6 months and what it has looked like. So let's get into it. If you're new, subscribe, follow along. I have so much new content coming your way, a little rebrand, if you will, and just more personality, less dimming my light and showing it to all of you. We're starting off with the first box. It feels like it's a pair of shoes. Yes, these are a pair of little sandals. I thought these were super cute. They have a nice little pump at the end of it. I think it's about like 2 or 3 inches. Just white lacquer on the little thong part. But here's what it looks like. These are cute. I also got black of these as well. I don't know if they're gonna be in this haul or if they're already inside. Can't remember. And there may be a few empty boxes, but it's because stuff is already being used, and whether it's for my mom or my husband, I don't know. We have a cute little bag charm. I thought this was adorable. I love the plushy bag charms that they're coming out with. I feel like they add so much personality to your purses. Like you can even put these on jeans, like on the jean loop, and make it really stylish, but I just really love this a lot. Here, this is another bag charm in here. It is, oh my gosh, I forgot I got this. This is like a little duck, a little Tweety bird. Cute. This one is unlike others and you can't like stick anything in it. A lot of the bag charms I have from Louis Vuitton are like used as coin purses, or you can put your AirPods in it or something. This, on the other hand, you can't. So cute for spring and summer, just to add a little pop of color to your bag. There's nothing in this box. I don't even know what was in here. Probably a purse, but it's not in my office, so I'm not gonna share it. We're gonna go to this box next. Guys, I have so much to share about my life this past 6 months while I've been gone. I miss you guys so much. I miss posting. It's just been a little bit of a whirlwind getting used to everything in my life that's new and all of the things that have been coming to me, which I'm not complaining about. Super excited to share everything. This is a cute poncho. You can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear them as like bathing suit cover-ups, add it to your outfit. They're very nice and flowy and very modest, which I love. You might be able to see the print a little bit better here, but I love them. They're like shiny, shimmery as well, so you get a nice like little sheen when the sunlight hits you. We're gonna go for this one next. These are a pair of shorts that I got that I keep forgetting that I have because I've been waiting to film. These are adorable. Are you kidding me? I love how not in your face they are. I know a lot of the stuff from Louis Vuitton is in your face. A lot of stuff like designer wise is in your face, just in general, but I love how these are a little bit more chill and they fit so nicely. A really good quality of denim, and I love all of the gold accents on these shorts. Now that I have filmed, I can wear them soon. Yay! You guys were always in my mind. Like the intention to film was always there, but the busyness and the mental block that I've had to get myself to film has not been there, and that's been a little bit of a struggle, but we are overcoming things around here. We are God's children, and He is helping get us through everything. Next up, this is for my mom because I cannot rock this, but she indeed can. It is a bucket hat, and these I used to wear all the time, like when I was younger, just like regular bucket hats. The shape of the Louis ones are not my favorite. Like, I'm gonna show you what I look like. This is just not my vibe. The denim is cute, but like, why is it so like, I don't know. Is it supposed to look like this? That obviously should not look like that, but like, is it supposed to look like this? Someone help. I don't see how this is stylish, but my mom looked really good in it. Like she can literally, like I said, like rock anything. I just don't have that aura to me, and I'm sure so many other people can rock these bucket hats from Louis. I am just not one of them. And then the last thing in this big bag right here, I think this is going to be some scarves. We went to Chicago and purchased some scarves. Also in Japan, purchased some scarves, and then also just here in Tampa with our SA. So I'm not really sure where each of these are from, but just know that they're all from Louis. This one we thought would go really good on our Summer Peach P9, which I have shown here on YouTube. This is a really fun scarf. I believe this is a 55, and it is kind of the original LV print in most of it. I'm not gonna unwrap it fully, but then it's got some Takashi Murakami multicolor white prints. These are great for throwing over your head as a headscarf. You can wear them as a top. You can put them on your bag. They have a lot of versatility, and I feel like when you're starting your like Louis collection or just like looking for designer pieces in general to like luxify your fits, I feel like a scarf is always like a really good place to start because they are so versatile and can be worn for like so many things. And then we have a bunch of twillies left in here. We have this one, which I'm pretty sure matches one of the little bags that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I think it's up there. This one is so fun. It's got the perfume bottles on it, and they have a bigger version of this where it's like all of the animals at Louis Vuitton making the perfume bottles, which I find so adorable. I love the hummingbirds on here, the ladybugs, just so cute. cute. And then the last one in here is one of my favorites. This one is so fun. It's kind of similar to that first one I just showed you, but not pastel. It's more bright colors. And I've really been loving the contrast of like red and pink. It's so Valentine's Day coded. I don't think that this is all the scarves. I think there are many more in other bags, but right now this is what we're working with. This feels like a Speedy. I kind of forgot about her. Got her a couple weeks ago. Not like forgot, but like out of sight, out of mind kind of thing, you know, because I've been waiting to film. This one is probably my favorite Speedy out of all the ones I'm gonna show you guys in this haul. Oh my goodness. She is perfect. It's epi leather. So it's a leather that is like really good for like kind of like all terrains. It's treated. This bag though, when I saw it online and I thought it was so adorable. They had like a hot pink version as well. But this color, the blue, and I love how it's just like so simple. There's not much to it. It comes with this cute little bag charm right here, which you can obviously stick on other bags too. It's like a lanyard almost. And then on the inside, it does come with this strap so you can put it like over your shoulder. The inside is just the classic brown monogram with the blue lining. Oh my goodness, this purse is everything. A pop of color to your outfit. I love how it has no logos on it. I do have a lot of bags with logos. It happens, right? It's Louis Vuitton. They have a beautiful logo, but I love the bags that are more nonchalant and just like very beautiful, good craftsmanship and good quality. Really in my blue era. Like blue has just been calling my name recently. There are two things at the bottom of this bag, so we're gonna open those. Maybe scarves? Yes, scarves. This one is gonna be so cute on that bag that I just showed you for like a lighter blue added to the handles, but this side is just like this, and then this other side is kind of why I really like it because I love the gold mixed in with everything, although that bag has silver hardware, so I might just lean for this side or absolutely no twillie at all because I feel like it doesn't need it. I don't know if that was a mistake, but ended up with two of the same twillie. I already showed this one, but they can be used on different bags. Okay, next we're gonna go for this bag right here. This one has a good amount of stuff in it. It's got two big boxes. One looks like shoes, and this one I am not 100% sure of. Oh, this is a purse. Wait, is this the pink? No, it's not the pink. That's okay. There's a pink purse I'm gonna show you guys. I think there's two pink purses I'm gonna show you guys that I love, but here is a good neutral. She's adorable. I saw this and I thought that the straps were nice and long. It also reminds me of their cosmetic bags that just have the zipper, which I thought was adorable. I know that's a trend right now, like carrying around the toiletry bags. You can adjust them to be shorter or longer depending on where you want them to fall, like when you wear it, if you want it higher on your armpit or lower on your armpit. It does come with a little lock right here and it's got gold hardware. I also thought that the inside was really nice and spacious. You can fit a phone, a full-size wallet, you can fit a ton of stuff. I love it. On the inside, it has a dust bag with keys as well in case you need to lock it and unlock it. I don't really ever lock my bags with the locks, but it is nice to have the option. And these have got to be shoes. I think I know what these are. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, wait, look at this dust bag that these shoes come with. I've never seen a dust bag like this. It's almost like that drawstring, like gem material, and it has a little LV print right there, and then that on the little drawstring to pull it tight. Yes, these are so cute. I think they're called the Sneakerina. I don't know what I'm saying. This is what the bottom looks like. These are the sparkly ones. I'm pretty sure they come in like pink and they also come in gold, and then this silver, but the silver was like so beautiful. Like a lot of the sneakers I have are like big and bulky, but these are like very low profile. Actually very comfortable too and true to size. Now this jacket I have worn, I love this thing so much. I've been really into like the Louis Vuitton ready to wear, but like not crazily to where I'm buying every single thing because a lot of the stuff is, not gonna lie, not my cup of tea, but this was cute. This was like a nice little track jacket. I wore this in February. It was like the perfect weather to wear it, and it looks like this. It's like a bomber almost, and it has like matching joggers, but I just don't like the way they look, so I didn't get them. The material is so nice. I feel like it like makes your outfits look really good. I don't know, it's really flattering on. I really do like this, so I've been wearing this a lot recently, and now I can finally put it in my closet because I filmed on it. There's other stuff, so let's see what we're gonna get into. This is another one of those scarves that I just showed you guys, but it's a different material. So I have the pink and I have the red, but this is different. It's like a champagne kind of color and different material, but it does kind of flow the same way where you can put it on top of your shoulders and tie it, and you can wear it so many other ways. Yeah, at the bottom of this is just like all the dust bags, like they're ready to wear and things like that. I know I did a Louis Vuitton haul years ago with my mom, and I think I like titled it like biggest Louis Vuitton haul on YouTube. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. I think this one like totally beats it. I definitely think that this beats it. I feel like we should go into the bags up there and then finish out what's down here. Okay, it looks like these two things are filled and they have some stuff in them, so let's go through it. I feel like they're gonna be scarves again. Yeah, Scarves. This one, wait, this is actually gonna be so much better on that blue Speedy that I got. This is a 55, so it can also be worn in the hair. Love the color so much. So I got this one because I thought it was like very Vegas coated, also very bright, which I really enjoy. Just for a pop of color, if you wear like a pair of simple jeans and like a white t-shirt, and then you have like a scarf like this around your head, I just feel like it gives it girl vibes, like a colorful scarf. It doesn't matter if it's designer or not, but just like the pop of color is so aesthetically pleasing to a very simple outfit and elevating it. So it has like a bunch of, it's like Louis Vuitton House of Cards, right? So it's got all these crazy poker things on it and all these cards. This is so cool. I love this. All right, I'm grabbing from the top again. Everything that was up there in that top right corner is right here. I haven't seen this like little pink Speedy that I bought in so long ago, and here it is. I found it. Ah, I love this. This was one of like the vintage Takashi murakami drops in the very beginning of the year. I just had to get her. This bag is adorable. I have been using my black nano Speedy for a very long time, like literally since I got it. It's actually like a very practical bag for me. Like the nano Speedy just fits just the essentials, just what I need. She is so cute. And it also does come with a bigger strap on the inside like that. Now we're gonna go for the fun things that my SA sent me that were ordered, and I have not even opened the boxes yet. So it's gonna be new to you and new to me. Oh, I think it's a bag, you guys. I definitely think it's gonna be a bag. Okay, are we getting a first look together? This feels so special. Look at us. This is my other bag that I was so excited about. Ah, okay. This one's adorable. You guys are gonna love this one too. Vintage denim vibe. And it's not even like put together, but there are so many things that come with it. Yes. Ah, look at this cutie bag charm that comes with it. I love. Also has this for an extender, and then it has a bigger strap as well. Wait, just kidding. This is the strap. So you kind of put it on like this, and then you put the baggy charm on the front. The washed out denim look with the LV stitching looks so retro. And unfortunately, I was not born in the freaking time where they had all these like cool retro bags, and now they're like remaking them. I do wish I had some original pieces, and I do have like a lot of original like Louis Vuitton pieces, but like this is insane. I love this bag. But I can't lie, the bag charm really got me, and I was like, this just adds such a beautiful like Y2K edgy touch. This was like my reason for getting this bag, was the charm. I hope I'm not boring you guys. We are getting to the end. Ugh. I'm so sore from upper body day yesterday at the gym. My husband has been cooking me in the gym, and it feels so good, but my goodness, I can barely open a box. This is all such unnecessary packaging. I wish I could like opt out of this. If I could literally just get the dust bag and the actual bag and forget the box and the ribbon and everything, I would. This is a Denim 30 Speedy. Similar vibes as the pink one that I just showed you, but it's a totally different style bag. I really love the Speedy 30. It's a good like everyday bag. The distressing on this bag, are you kidding me? It's so perfect. Just look at how beautiful this is. Like, you can buy these vintage like when they were first made, and if you freaking can, I'm envious of you, but I had to buy it brand new because it was really hard to source like a vintage one that was good quality and wasn't like super completely frayed on the edges. This is what we're working with. Next up, all these behind me. I hope you guys have popcorn, a drink, a fun drink, a little coffee. Oh, I just literally spilled mine. Also, you guys, Joey and I found a new home church here in Tampa. We love it so much. It has been such a blessing already in our marriage. To be able to go to church with your husband, it just hits so different. Reading the word together, learning about God. Are you kidding me? It's perfect. Life is good. Also, there's nothing in this bag. 4 boxes in this one bag. So let's rapid fire through whatever is in here. Scarves. This one's cute. Oh my gosh. It has a bunch of keys all over it, like Louis Vuitton keys. Okay, I fear that these are probably shoes again, which might be a little boring for you guys. I know you guys like seeing bags a lot, and I've got a duffel behind me to open. So just stay tuned. It's gonna get even better. Yep, these are another pair of shoes. These go with that pink denim bag that I showed you that has the charm that I really like. I'm not gonna be able to fit these. These are for my mom. My foot is way too fat and wide. I don't have aesthetic feet at all. So these are for her. Another pair of shoes. These are like the white ones that I showed in the very beginning, but these are black. The best part about all this stuff is that my mom and I share everything. Last thing in here, I don't know. I don't think this could possibly be a pair of shoes. By the way, it's shaped, but it could be. Oh my gosh, okay. These are for my mom, these are not for me. She got denim shoes to match her duffel that I'm gonna show you and her Speedy 30. These are adorable, oh my God, wait, so comfortable. They smell really good too. They kind of smell like rack room. Like when I was younger and I'd walk in a rack room and get a new pair of shoes for like 3rd grade. That's what it smells like. Nostalgia. We have 2 more boxes to open. Let's open this one next. It's gonna be a Speedy. Yes, it's a Speedy 30. It is the New York edition, like the Big Apple edition of the Speedy. I need to fix the charm to put on the right side, so just give me 1 second. This bag charm looks like an ice cube, and it has the Louis Vuitton flower emblems, but like frozen almost is what it looks like. Okay, so here's the bag from the front. It is so unique with with. Not only the silver hardware, but the silver handles, just really beautiful. The inside, man, you could freaking put this on your face and get tan in the sun. I feel like this is one of those things that like makes you really tan. This bag is so fun. It's got a little heart right here in the back. Looks like that. Got the little luggage tag, but it has an apple on it. I love this bag, and it has this extra strap too to put around your shoulder, but you can also take it off and just hold the bag as a top handle. Not to mention, I just noticed the lining on this bag is completely silver too, like the piping on the side, beautiful. This is a duffel. I'm pretty sure it's a denim duffel. Yes, it's the denim duffel. Oh my gosh. If I can get her out of the dust bag. So beautiful. So fun, so distressed, like not in a bad way, but like it adds more character and gives it like more of a vintage feel, even though it's not vintage. I just love vintage Louis Vuitton. Like I want to find more of it, like but at like reasonable prices, because a lot of the vintage Louis Vuitton is like 5x, and I'm like, no, it's not happening, but she's adorable. You guys know I love my duffels. I have so many more inside. I've got like 10 or 15 total. It's like one of the things I love to collect from Louis because I feel like they're timeless and can be passed down to children upon children upon children. I actually never thought I'd see the very end of this video because I've been filming for 45 minutes. I don't know how cut down this video is gonna be because there was a lot I shared, but yeah, 45 minutes going strong. You guys know I always have to end my videos with a positive quote, and this is actually something that I have been implementing so hardcore with in my life, and that is discipline. My Pinterest quote of the hour says, "Discipline is the highest form of self-love," and I could not agree more. I have been learning to push through the no, I don't want to do it, and the no, I'm not in the mood, or whatever. It doesn't matter if you're in the mood or not. Like you can still work out and go to the gym and all the things. I saw this guy at the gym when I was with Joey. He had one leg and he was still working out, and it just like motivated me because he's at the gym. I didn't want to be there, right? But his position is 10 times harder than mine because he has one leg. And it like inspired me in a way where I was like, you know what? Doesn't matter if I'm not in the mood. He probably isn't either. And he actually has a reason to not work out. But he's not letting his reason triumph his discipline that he wants to have within his life. So yeah, discipline is the highest form of self-love. If you cannot master discipline, it's gonna be very hard to master a lot of things in your life. Stay consistent, wake up early, do the habits that you wanna implement in your life because every single day counts. You don't have to wait till the weekend or that fun trip. Like every single day should be the best day of your life. And I should take my own advice, okay? All right, I love that. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my very next one. Feels good to be back. Mwah. Bye.